You got some kind of ID, proof of resident? I can see.
I gotta get proof of resident.
Yes, ma'am. How would you like somebody just call me to open your door? I don't know who house is it or what.
I don't think I have it.
It's in the house?
You're
Okay, don't worry about it. You look like you're already having a bad day. I'm gonna make you have a good day. Alright? Don't worry about it. Why are you crying though?
I'm having a bad day.
Alright, don't worry about it. But I got you. Who was trying to do something? You? Don't worry about it. Alright, I put it the wrong way.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, go on in.